guys, it's Sophie and Toffee time. So I have a new Sophie and Toffee box that we will unwrap and look into. I'm not sure what it is because the pamphlet for the last box said that it was going to be druzy, but their website says it's dice, so I'm assuming it'll be dice, but who knows. I went a little overboard on the information there, blocking. But I have a new mic, so hopefully things will sound better. And so it's this box again. I think that's like the original Elves box. Oh, it's not. It doesn't make a good pop. Oh well. Okay, let's see what's inside. It is druzy. Oh. My husband and I had like a little friendly bet going on. I thought it'd be druzy. He said dice, but next month is dice. And this is druzy, and I love things sparkly, so that'll be fun. It looks like you get a little base with a house, a ladder, and rain. I don't know what that has to do with druzy. And then it's got frost around the side, so we'll see. So, important tips. Oh, it looks like you get to make like that little cloud thing. Maybe it'll be a light. Very cool. So here's all the social media stuff. And then where's the winners? Let's see. Okay. Oh, cute. So these are the July challenge winners for the little fairy house. Oh, they're adorable. Very cute. Okay. Let's see what we get inside. We get the round druzy trinket dish. Some druzy shape molds. Those look like they'll be really cool. Round druzy silicone insert. And then other shapes druzy silicone insert. These are popular shapes which you can use as druzy design inserts in your bigger molds to make them pretty crystal bits. Okay. And then you get the silicone house mold, the cloud silicone mold, raindrops. Oh, that's going to be really cool. Raindrops and parts. And then nylon string, which you can use to make the raindrops from. And then sapphire crystal pigment, 3:1 resin, a metal ladder, and crystal dust glitter. Ooh, that's gonna be pretty. Let's see what. Oh, this, I love that there's tissue. I've never gotten tissue before. So it's got the Sophie and Toffee dinosaur with its astronaut helmet thing, and then a unicorn. That's so cute. Okay. Oh, it's like my birthday. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna pull this. Actually, no, yeah, I'm gonna pull the tissue out so we can see. All right, put it back. All right. Okay, so first mold is the little druzy bits. It's nice and clear for UV resin, but it's actually a really flexible mold. I think that's probably so you can make sure you get the resin in all the little nooks and crannies, and we've got different shapes so you can make jewelry and different little things. That's cool. And then I'm just gonna set you free. So crystal pigment dye. I wonder if it stays a little see-through or what makes it different. I mean, maybe it's just less opaque. We'll see. So these, I assume like you put resin and then you press it in, and then after it's hardened, you peel these out. So there's a star. So there's a little star. There's 2 stars. So you could do 2 into 1 mold, I guess. There's a moon. Oh, 3 stars. Okay, 3 stars. And a moon and an oval. So those are cool. And then here is the bigger one. I could take them out, but it literally looks like it'll be me taking things out of plastic for the whole video. Oh, it's kind of dirty. Must have fell on the ground. So here is the cloud. And then these are the little raindrop bits and other parts. So, ooh, pretty glitter. Let's see. Ooh, I like it. I did one of those videos in slow motion where you put glitter on like a fluffy makeup brush, and then you tap it over your phone and then it falls in slow motion. So pretty. So here's the little ladder. It's gold and it's kind of, the steps are irregular in like width and size to give it like character or something. And then the 3 to 1 like we got last time. And the little house mold. Some fishing line. And the bigger druzy base mold. That's super pretty. Ooh, I bet the chameleon flakes from Litz resin would look really pretty in here. I've got them on my nails. I did like a base coat of, or not coat, but Color Street, like press on plum, and then I did the chameleon flakes over it. I think it turned out pretty. I guess it's probably hard for you to see, but anyway. All right, so that's what we got in the box. Let's make a craft. This is one way you can do it, and this is just to add like details to things. Ooh, isn't that pretty? Let me bring you in closer. Like druzy, so you can put this on top of other things. You can break it up to add like detail to make it look like it's part of a geode, like a bigger picture, you know, cut the edges and crack it, you know, if you wanted to. But then there's another way that I thought of. You could like pour resin into a mold and then lay this on top of it, cure it, then pull this out, and the center would have like this kind of indent in the center. So let's try that way and see if that works out. Cured it on the other side too, so we'll see if this works out. I'm not sure. It's got some air bubbles, and now we peel up this bit. Oh, that looks cool. I'll cure it some more and then I'll finish it. So I think that this would have been better if it was a little bit smaller, which gives the argument for doing it this way, and you can break it off to be smaller in the center, or I could just put that in there and have this like be on the edge. Let's see. I do have to snip this too real quick. Kind of satisfying. So let's put some of this inside that. Wouldn't that be neat? What do you guys think? Okay, I'm going to put my mask back on so we can pour some more UV resin into this. Here it is. I could pour more resin and dome it, but I don't want to waste my resin right now. I just really wanted to show you what you can do with this. So that was 2 different ways. It looks pretty on this side as well, but so you don't need to glue this piece back on top, but you can. The circle kind of makes it too perfect looking, so I just kind of use the Posca pens to fudge it, and yeah, now it looks like a geode. Doming it would probably be best, but I'm gonna stop here. All right, and then yeah, save your little chunks because you can use them later.